Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Students, in the previous class we started Scratch. I told you about the components of Scratch, then I said that we will create a project in Scratch. So let's start with that project. Quickly I am giving a brief recap of the components of the Scratch window. This is stage, this cat is sprite, this is our default sprite. We will change this sprite, we can change sprite from here we can take new sprite, and these are our tools like scissor for deleting, this is for duplicate, this is for growing screen, this is for shrinking screen, this is our script area. Here we will drag the script, we will put the script here, and this is for running our project, and this is for stopping our project. So these are the main components that we did in the previous class. Now we will create a project. For creating a project, first of all we are going to file, new I am doing, and I am giving it a name also. Save as I'll do, I am giving it names aquarium. Okay, with this name already one file is there, so let's open and create it again. Aquarium. Okay, aquarium we are creating, so it is saved now with the name of aquarium. Now how to create? First of all, in this aquarium what we are having fishes, and we are having backdrop of underwater. So first we will take the backdrop. From where we can take the backdrop? Yes, here, see, here stage backdrop is given. We will click on this. Now we will take new backdrop from here, upload backdrop, not upload, we want it from the file only. Choose a backdrop we have taken. Now underwater, we will find the underwater backdrop in this. So let's find underwater. See, we have got city with water, we have got city with water too. It's basically given alphabetically, so in U only we will get the underwater. So we will come to the U letter quickly. It's urban, underwater, yes, underwater 1, underwater 2, underwater 3. 3 are given, so we are taking underwater 2. We'll do click on this. As soon as we will click on this backdrop will come here in our project. Now the sprite is cat, but we don't want this cat over here. In cat it doesn't suits in this underwater backdrop, so we will cut it. How we will cut it? We will take scissor from here, we'll click on this. Okay, so it will be deleted. Now the cat is deleted. Now here we will put fishes. Okay, so for fish, from where we can take fish? From here, new sprite, choose sprite from library, we will click on it and we will come on the fish. Let's found fish. It will be, it's starting with F, so we have to come on F, like, wait for a while, it's processing. The symbol is showing you the processing. We will come down, we will find F, and we'll see, by mistake I clicked on B, bowl, so I'll have to cut it. It can happen while creating a project. Again I'll go to fish, I'll take fish from there. Fish. Okay, there are 3 fishes. First I have taken this fish 1. Okay, I'll do the double click, fish has come. Now I'll take one more fish. Okay, our aquarium should have 2 or more fishes inside it, so I'll take one more fish from here. Now this time I'll take fish 2. Okay, which one I'll take? Fish 2. This is fish 2. Okay, fish 2 I have taken. Now I'll take, we can adjust them here also, like if we want to put it somewhere here at the top, and this one I want to put it here. Now I take one more fish, so again I'll go to library. From here I'll take one more fish. Okay, one more fish I'll choose. Fish 3 I have taken. Now we are having 3 fishes in it. Okay, 3 fishes are there now. Let's make them at different places. They are that way. Okay, now since we have taken the sprites, we have taken the background, now what we will take now? We have to write the code. Okay, so for fishes, for first fish, suppose first we are clicking on the fish 1. On whatever sprite we click relating to that code, we will write in the code block or the script area. Okay, so for first fish I am writing the code. I'll take control blocks of, first of all I'll go to control. From control I'll take forever block here. Okay, first of all I think we should take events when click. Events when click, because when we will click only then this thing will happen. So always take this when clicked, then we take we took forever block. Forever block was there in control. Okay, now inside this forever block I'll set rotation style left to right for this fish. Okay, this fish will move from left to right. Okay, left to right it will move. So for rotation we have to go to motion. We'll find that rotation style left to right. So we got this, we'll put it in forever. Now while moving, like it can come to edge, so when it will come here on the edge, it can go out, so we have to stop it from going out. So how we will stop it? We will put like if on edge bounce, means if the fish come on edge, अगर वो edge पे आती है तो वो fish क्या करेगा? Bounce करेगा. Fish will bounce back. Okay, now our code is done. We will just try this one. Just do click on this. It's not working. Let's start that. When click, say set rotation style left to right. This is done. Okay, so let's run it once. Why it's not moving? What is the problem? Let's move we forgot. First here we have to give move. If we will not move it, how it will move? We forgot this, so we have to give move 10 steps. Okay, now you can see fish 1 has started moving. Okay, you can see the movement of fish 1, sprite 1. Now same way we want other 2 fishes also to move in our project or aquarium. So what we will do? We will copy this same code in other 2 sprites also. It's quite easy to copy. There are 2 ways. First is we will do like this, duplicate we will take, we will drag it at the bottom. Okay, here we will drag it fish 2 will take, but it's gone. Wait. We will just simply drag this code and we will put it on the next sprite. Okay, when we will put it, it will come automatically in the next sprite. You can see when I am clicking on fish 2, it has come in this area for fish 2 also. Now we will check for fish 3, it's not coming. So what I will do, again I'll go to fish 2 and the same I'll drag over fish 3. Okay, so in fish 3 also this coding has come. Let's check by clicking fish 1 coding, fish 2 coding, fish 3 coding is there. Okay, so now let's run it once, check it. We will click on this. Fish 3 is not having, so it means it has not been copied in fish 3. So we will copy it first properly. It's not got copied. Again we have to bring it and we have to put it on this. Now it has come inside this. Okay, now we will run it. Yes, see, now all 3 fishes are moving. Isn't it amazing? It's looking very nice. So this way you can use different sprites, you can give them different movements, like you can try other codes which are given here in different blocks. So try it once by yourself. Like if suppose I give set rotation style left to right, if I'll give one more, first I'll stop it, I'll give rotation style, one more rotation style I'll give here, and I'll give this rotation style, it's left all around. Okay, then let's see what happens. You should try new things. Okay, all round. Now all fishes are moving. Only fish 3 is moving all around. Why? Because I have given this code only to the fish 3. So fish 3, if you can notice, it's moving all around in the whole aquarium. And they are going straight, left to right, then right to left. Okay, if we want other 2 fishes also to move in that way, then what we have to do? We have to give this set rotation style all around in those fishes also. Okay, let's try it with fish 2 also. So here I'll give that, I'll take it from here, I put it here, I'll change the style to all around. I can also choose don't rotate. Let's choose don't rotate for this. Okay, let's see what happens. It will not rotate. Okay, see, now what's happening? It's not rotating, it's moving back but not rotating. So we can try these different options. Okay, this is all in this project. You all practice it. We can run this project on full screen also in this way. And again, if we want that screen back, then come here on the left corner. You can see this button. If you will click on this, again the screen will come in that way. Okay, so students, do try it. If you are having Scratch, if you are not having Scratch, you can easily download it from internet. Thank you.